In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make and use a water container in Grounded 2. So to be able to actually make one, you need to firstly have analyzed, I think it's acorn shells that you have to analyze first to be able to actually create it. And then we're going to click on the B button on our keyboard. So on the B button, we're going to then click on the water container here. You need 3 acorn shells, 2 crude ropes, and 1 clover leaf, as you can see. So for example, I can place it right here. Let's build this one right now. So now to be able to actually use it, we need to craft this one right here. I'm going to show you. You need to craft, so if you click right here and then on drink, you need to craft a canteen. And it takes 3 grub hides and 2 crude ropes. And I think I have one actually already crafted if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, here it is. So I'm just going to equip this one. So basically what you need to do now when you have equipped it, we need to find some water. And I believe there is actually some water up here. Last time I checked, there was. Yep, here it is. So now I'm just going to scoop this one, as you can see. So now it's completely scooped here. So now when you have scooped it with your canteen, we can now run back to the water container here. And basically what you need to do now is that you're going to click on E to be able to deposit. And yeah, that is basically exactly how to do this.